claim number 3654Q976M. I'm out here to do a repair attempt to see if the shingle is even repairable and see if there's any kind of repairability to this roof. We've got some wind damage that was approved by State Farm. I'm trying to plug this shingle in and see if it's going to work or if it's going to cause any more damage. If it does, then I'm going to recommend doing a full roof replacement for Rashawn and get her taken care of properly. So what I need to do is, well, actually, you can see that the shingles are really old. There is a little bit of delamination already. You can see where the deal is going through there, but they still are stuck. So I just want to show that before I start the repair. See, those are still stuck. Same with that. So what I need to do is remove this shingle. So I'll bring these two up, remove the nails, pull that shingle out, put the new one in there, and see what we're working with. That tab, I had wind damage on it. Got those pulled up to remove this shingle here, or this one here. Look underneath. Pop that nail. Still got one over here somewhere. Right there it is. Pull that shingle out. Of 1992, so it's an old shingle. So it's here. New shingle out. That there. Okay, so after pulling this shingle out, you can see now look, So, causing a bunch of delamination, causing more damage to the roof. I'm going to slide this one in, nail it, and then I'll mark it up. So, put that shingle in there, line it up, with a nail gun. So got that nailed in. Shingles in there, good. Not coming out, nailed it properly. So this is the shingle that we replaced. You can see, nothing there. There, good on that. Checking these tabs, we've got this, delamination. This one, delaminated. This one as well, delaminated. This one too, delaminated, no longer sticking. This tab's loose, delaminate. This one as well. You can see the corner. Delaminated, delaminated. Same. This one right here is. This one too. So got a bunch of delamination where we tried to do the repair. With that being said, I'm going to mark this as a failed repair attempt. This is not repairable. The repairability of this is not going to be good. This is basically, I'm just asking for a full roof replacement for Rashawn. Get her taken care of properly. This is not going to work. We're just going to continuously keep causing more and more damage to the roof. So definitely wanting to do a full roof replacement for her, get her taken care of properly. Thank you.